Diabetic Nighttime Woes, 5 Sleep-Boosting Bedtime Drinks. We unveil the secrets of 5 sleep-boosting bedtime drinks, crafted to soothe both body and soul. 1. Soothing Chamomile Tea. Calms nerves and aids in better sleep quality. 2. Warm Milk with Cinnamon. Promotes relaxation and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. 3. Herbal Decaf Tea. Reduces stress and supports healthy blood glucose levels. 4. Golden Milk, Turmeric Latte. Anti-inflammatory properties aid in sleep and blood sugar regulation. 5. Tart Cherry Juice. Natural melatonin content improves sleep while managing blood sugar spikes.